Well, hello friends, once again Scotty here. Today we are driving the 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Sport Crew Cab 4x4. It's a really great looking truck. The exterior color is called Blue Streak Pearl. It has black stripes on it. The interior is black. Really nice looking leather seats. It's got lots of great options on the truck. The base price is $42,240 as tested, $52,585. Combined MPG of 17, 15 on the in city, 21 on the highway, which is about what I got, which isn't outstanding, but it's not terrible for a big 4x4 truck. The truck is lifted. It's got a bed organizer in it. It's got the Ram bar. It also has LED lights on the roof that really light up the road at night to just an absolutely amazing degree. Had lots of fun with this truck, taking it on some of the local trails. We have, and my camera is going to do one of these funky things today, I can already tell. We have lots of great driving trails around here, both on and off-road. So I took this on what I would call some semi-off-road conditions, meaning gravel roads and things like that. Of course, it was no problem for the truck whatsoever. The interior, as with all Ram trucks, is very attractive, extremely comfortable, big, nice, wide, comfortable seats. The Uconnect sound system, or infotainment system, I should say, is world-class, one of the best in the business. I'm going to have to keep playing with my phone, but there's nothing I can do about that. I'm going to one day find a really decent windshield mount. It has an aggressive sounding exhaust on it. I'll give it a little bit of gas. Has the excellent rotary dial shifted 8-speed automatic. I love all the Ram trucks. Since this is a 4x4, it rides a little bit more like a 4x4 than the other ones that I've driven. Most of the Ram trucks have what I call a boulevard kind of ride. This is not bad at all, not objectionable, but you can definitely tell it's a 4x4, and it's lifted somewhat. Ram is the one to beat in the truck market right now, not in any way disparaging the other guys, but, wasn't that many years ago that Dodge and then now Ram were also Rams in the truck market, and now they're kind of leading the charge, folks. They're making some of the best, most comfortable trucks on the road. They sell extremely well. They have a wide range of power prints, starting with the 3.6 Pentastar engine, which actually is kind of my favorite, then the 5.7 liter Hemi, which is this guy, and then the, I think it's a 3-liter V6 diesel. That truck gets over 30 miles to the gallon, will tow over 10,000 pounds. So, yeah, Ram is building a world-class product. This is an extremely good-looking truck. It's that beautiful blue with the black stripes. It's got very aggressive looking tires, fantastic looking wheels on it. I mean, it really it checks all the right boxes. Probably wouldn't be the truck for me because I wouldn't buy a 4x4 personally, wouldn't care anything about the Ram bar and the lift and all that stuff, but I can see the appeal to lots of other folks. And well, if you're looking for a truck, you definitely would be doing yourself a disservice if you didn't go drive a Ram. They are really building a great product in my mind. They're very nice to drive. They are attractive looking. The ride, as I said, is excellent. The Hemi powertrain is pretty unbelievable. Infotainment system is world class. Mileage in most of other Ram trucks is pretty good. In this example, because of the 4x4, et cetera, it's not been fantastic. It looks like I averaged about 14.1 MPG in my time with it. But again, some of that was off-road driving, some of it fairly aggressive. I want to remind you folks, be sure to check out our main website, garagedlx.com. You're probably listening right now to garagedlx.fm, which is where we have Tales from the Garage every Saturday from noon to 2 and 7 to 9 p.m. with the three stooges of the automotive world, myself, Scotty Gibson, Nathan Tazlar, and Jesus Garcia. You can also find us on youtube.com/garagedlx and all the other most popular social media platforms. And there you have it, the 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Sport Crew Cab 4x4. Hope you guys have enjoyed the ride. I think next week we got a Jeep. So buckle up, strap in, and let's go for another ride, and thanks for listening.